Okay, so the beautiful Belle is bathing all her puppies, and they are now how old? 8 days old. Yeah, yesterday was their 1-week birthday, but we didn't want to miss a night without a weigh-in. What do you think, Parsley? Oh, she moved her mouth. What's she saying? I can't tell. What do you think, Dill?
He says, hi, Sleepy.
Paprika. And then imagine that, Clove is hungry. Mr. Big Boy. Okay, let's see if he's the heavyweight champion again tonight, but we're gonna do birth order, so let's start with Puppy. What's that noise about? Okay, little Popples.
Oh, she isn't little.
Let's see. £1, 13.1 ounces. She has done some feeding. Yesterday she was 1 pound, 11.8. So she has done well. Good job. All right, next up, Parsley Pants. Oh, look at that belly.
Where's your spot? Where's your spot? Wow.
Okay, Parsley. Oh, hi, baby girl. Now, there's a downside to waking them up before you put them on the lasagna tray, you know. Let's see. Parsley.
Oh.
Hello. She hit the 2 pound mark, 2 pound, 1.6 ounces.
Wow.
Good job, Parsley.
Girl.
Our latest
Oh, you're hungry now.
2 pounder. Attend to her,
Oh
Miss
my
Belle.
goodness, look at her marching.
Look at what?
Her marching.
Oh yeah, marching right in.
Come here.
I'm like a Martian. She's not a Martian.
Go, 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 go. Run away, Bubba.
Belle's like, what do you want me to do? Okay, next up, Mr. Basil,
Where you
also
at?
known as Basil.
Come here, Bubba.
Oh, he's not going to be pleased with you.
Let's move over here,
There he
little
is.
Bubba.
That little blue collar's under there somewhere. Belle is doing very attentive baths. What's happening? Oh, look at Clove. He flipped all the way over. All right.
Oh, look at
Mr.
the milk
Basil.
mustache.
Oh, do you have a milk mustache?
Oh, are you mad? I know.
Are you mad? Oh, 1 pound, 15.9.
Oh, you're so close.
Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Did you do it? Ah! 2 pounds on the nose.
Wow.
Yay! I was like, that's exciting. Okay, Dill boy.
Oh, are you coming?
Yeah, look, he heard his name.
Are you coming?
He's,
Oh my goodness.
look at that, walking.
Are you coming to me, hubby?
Walking and waiting.
Wow.
All right,
Oh my goodness.
Dill pickle.
All right, Dilly. Oh.
Another 2 pounder. Oh,
Oh. Come here. Can you stay still?
he's just edging out. Basil, I think.
Oh.
On the nose. That's amazing.
Good boy.
He looked like he slapped his front paw there. Ah, I didn't beat Basil. All right, next up, Mr. Clove.
Oh goodness.
Talk about
You're gonna scream at me, honey.
heavy
I know.
duty.
Come here.
Oh, he's got a little mustard on that rear end. Be careful.
Come here, Chunky. Oh, I know. Are you mad?
Are you flying?
Mad.
Oh, you'd be mad if somebody ripped you away from your dinner like that. Oh, Chunky Monkey reigns supreme. 2 pounds,
Wow.
4.2 ounces.
Man, you're getting hefty, honey.
Paprika. Time to wake up, little sweet girl. Sweet girly. Sweet baby Paprika.
That was so much nicer than everyone else, wasn't it? Oh no. Oh, there you go.
Wait, I can't look away. away from this upside down eating that Pepper's doing over here. Okay, here we go.
Easy, Bubba.
Paprika, what you got? Oh, 1 pound, 15 ounces.
You're so
just
close.
an ounce shy of the 2 pound mark. And Pepper.
Oh, but the little baby is eating.
That's okay, Pepper. You can come back to the milk bar.
I'll bring you back. I know. Oh my
Boy,
goodness, your
everybody's just going
tummy is
bananas.
full.
She's mad. All right, Pepper Pants, what you got? Oh, even little Pepper, 2 pounds, 1.8 ounces.
She is still hungry.
Amazing. So, lots of people say, oh my goodness, those kids are so lucky they get to be around puppies all the time. What is the best part of being part of the HDL puppy family?
The puppies, the noises.
Those are some good noises.
Yeah, until it's at 6 a.m. in a couple of weeks.
Mm-hmm.
But, you know, that's okay. It's part of it.
It is part of it. It's totally worth it.
Because look at those faces. Too cute.
And look at these booties and those little tails that are like the milk meters. Although we got a couple of yellow booties there that need some attention. I think that might be Clove with a mustard butt right there.
Goes in one end, comes out the other. I guess.
We just think it's so funny and never fails to be amusing how their little tails go straight up in the air and wiggle, 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 wiggle and get all stiff whenever they're getting a bunch of milk. So cute. But I never see a dog's tail do that when they're an adult. It's just a milking puppy thing. What do you think? And you get some close-ups.
Hungry, hungry hippos.
Are you done with them, Belle?
She's just ready for a nice nap, I think. Ready for an evening snooze? I am. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. We will be back up with a live stream on day 9, and we appreciate you subscribing and liking our videos. And if you're new to our channel, check out some of the history. We have playlists for each litter, and you can see them grow up. So the last litter before this one was the Fab 4, and of course this is the Magnificent 7. Good night.